name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I am going to work on sales orders. How to create sales order in QuickBooks Desktop. First, I am going to explain what sales order. Sales order, it's a legal document prepared by a seller and issued to a customer, which includes the quantities, types of items, and prices of items. And QuickBooks Desktop, you can create sales order from two places. One place you can see from home screen sales order, click on sales order, so the page of sales order will be open. And another one is from customers, click on customer, then click create sales order, then click on create sales order, so the page of sales order will be open. Here you can see customer job. From here you can choose your customer. For example, Umar Khan. Here you can see the date, on which date you want to send this sales order to your customer. Here you can see the address that we saved in Mr. Umar bio. Here you can see SO, sales order number, is number 3, and here from here we can choose items, for example iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here you can see the description, and here you can write the quantity that your customer ordered to you, for example 5. In here you can select or write a message, for example thank you for your business. And if you want to save it as a PDF in your laptop, so you can click here save and then save as PDF, then close, so this order will be saved to your laptop. Here you can see, for example here I am writing SO, which stands for sales order, save, then yes. So you can see on home screen sales order, which I saved from QuickBooks Desktop as a PDF. Here you can see the all details that I written there. I wrote there. And from here you can print as well. You can see here print, click on print and preview, then click on OK. So here you can see the sales order, then click on print, so it will print. And if you want to send an email, click on email, then sales order. So here you can see the email address to whom you are going to send this sales order. Here you can see the subject and then click send, so automatically this sales order will be sent to your customer. If you want to delete this sales order, so you can go to reports, click on reports, then click on sales, and then click open sales orders by customers, then double click on your transaction and then click on X, then click delete and then click on OK, so your sales order will be deleted from your QuickBooks Desktop.